Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable and turn on the dark mode on the Snapchat app. Very easy guys, very simple, just a couple of clicks. The first thing that you want to do, you want to launch the Snapchat app and then you want to go to your own profile landing page. When you're over here, you want to click on the upper right corner at the gear icon. When you're over here guys, you wanna scroll down at the section My Account all the way to the section that is called App Appearance. Okay? You wanna click on App Appearance and here you will be able to first create your own custom app appearance with your own colors, right? You can turn on the dark theme, you can turn on the light theme, or you can simply ask the Snapchat app to match the default theme on your phone. On my phone, currently I have a dark theme, so if I click match my theme, the Snapchat app will make the Snapchat app dark theme because it matches my original theme on my device. Don't forget that you can also create your custom theme choosing the last option over here guys. This is how simple it is. For more videos like that guys, subscribe and like this video.